I'm running my business every single day, all day, every day. I've just gotten really good at multitasking over the years, and I can manage a lot of things. And I usually I'm working all day. You know what I mean? And that's just what it comes down to. My fiance's always laughing at me. She's like, babe, you're still working? We just got done doing dinner, or we just, watched a movie and now you're back here working. And, it never shuts off for me. And that's just, I don't think that'll ever be the case for me. I just enjoy what I do. I love what I do. And I love working with people. I love solving problems with people and helping somebody from their vision here to get to here. I'm really good with that stuff. And I love doing that. So that's why I keep my license. And I just enjoy real estate so much. So I think that's just something that'll always stick with me. No matter how big SkyyTask gets in the tech world, this just, real estate's always just been, that love and passion for me. But that new love and passion is most certainly SkyyTask and the tech world. The tech world is just something completely different. I've run many businesses, and anyone out there who calls himself an entrepreneur and thinks, just because they quit their 9 to 5 and started their own company and they're doing something, that's great.